Hello, eighth graders. Here are your comprehension question stories. Okay, after you've read your stories and interview and your annotations, you will go open your document on Teacherese. You will open it and you will work on it there and you will submit it. First section is Comprehension Wrap Up. You're going to be writing your answers, okay? So please use the green sections to help you. Use your notes. This is going to be so useful. So the first question, how do the descriptions Afraid of Technology and Science Fiction Writer help the understanding of Ray Bradbury? So you can go back to your text and your annotations to find those answers. Number 2, what are Ray Bradbury's thoughts on why reading is important? Okay, so you will look for that section and find that answer. Number 3, what does the emperor do to the servant? Okay, so I have mixed the questions, so it's from the interview and the flying machine and the dragon. So be careful and make sure you read the directions and the questions carefully. On number 4, you're going to tell me, what did the emperor do to the flying men? Okay, and write your answer out there. The second page, number 5, how many inventions are in the story The Flying Machine? Say the key word is how many. How many inventions are there? Number 6, the emperor only sees the beauty in his own invention because. So you're going to tell me why he only sees the beauty in his own invention. Number 7, what does the author tell us about the knight's conversation in the beginning of the dragon? So we know it's at the beginning of the dragon, and it's what the author is telling us about the knight's conversation. When they are talking, what is it telling us? What does he want you to know? Number 8. How does the knight's description of the dragon connect to the train? Okay, so figure out, there's the train, there's the dragon, and how did the knights describing it connect? How did it make those two things connect? So you'll tell me that. Number 9, what happened to the knights? What happened to them? Does it say what happened to both of them or one of them or none of them? Okay, tell me what happened. Number 10, how does the train engineer figure into a story about knights and mighty dragons? How did that figure into this story? So you're going to go find that section about train engineer and you're going to tell me, how did that figure into the story? Why was it there? Why was it significant? Number 11, what 2 things do you think Red Bradbury loves? Okay, name 2 things. So I should have 1, 2. Number 12, 2 pieces of evidence that help us draw conclusions about Ray Bradbury's feelings about technology. Okay, so in these writings, in the text you've been reading, you should be able to find at least 2 pieces of evidence that help us to figure out how he feels about technology. You should be able to find that. Now, part B is drawing conclusions. Multiple choice. Choose one. So what evidence can you prove that Ray Bradbury writes is to learn about his own thoughts? Is A, he is interested in how science affects people. B, he likes to criticize people for liking science. And then this section is Ray Bradbury believes the inventors need to understand all the different ways science can be used. What is evident of this? Okay, A, Flying Man asked the emperor if he thinks the invention is beautiful, or B, the emperor said one must lose a little beauty to save another. So you choose which one's the best answer. Vocabulary section, here are the words, A, B, C, D, all the way through H. And here are the definitions. Please match those letters to those definitions. And the bottom is read your directions carefully. Each sentence below contains an underlined vocabulary word. Circle the sentence in which this underlined word is used correctly. So you're going to circle the sentence which you think the word is used correctly. So you should be able to circle either one, none, all. Okay? So you let me know which one is correct. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week.